Akash and I have just arrived at our apartment in Chongqing. It's the evening right now, so what time is it? It's 6:46 p.m. and we're planning to go and see some of the night lights in the city tonight. And before we do that, we're gonna go and get some dinner. We're thinking of somewhere in Jaifang Bay pedestrian area, and that is also famous to have the well-known Bai Food Street as well. But anyway, I think tonight we're gonna go and visit Bai Food Street, check out the food there, and then we're gonna go and look at some of the night lights in Chongqing. Let's go. This is so good, you guys. So much flavor in this, you guys. It's so good. Now that we're done at Bai Food Street, we're trying out a caramel pudding puff and a coffee ice cream bun. And this one's warm. I'm so excited to try. Good morning, everyone. So today, me and Akash have ventured out of the bustling city of Chongqing, and today we are doing a day trip to Wulong Karst National Park. Anyway, we're going to see the 3 natural bridges. We're so excited for this. I do think it is a popular tourist site. However, I'm not sure whether a lot of tourists actually make the trip to come here, because obviously China is so big and the area that we're going to today is so rural. Anyway, we've already made most of the trip now. From Chongqing, it's about a 2.5-hour drive, and now the rest of the tour, yeah, I forgot to mention that we are actually on a paid tour that we booked through trip.com. And the rest of the tour is now just having a quick spot of lunch. We opted out of the lunch because we wanted to see what was actually available inside the national park. And Akash and I aren't looking for like a massive meal, so we were thinking more just living on snacks today. But we'll see, we'll see. I've made it to Wulong National Park, and honestly, I cannot believe the views I am seeing. I just feel so grateful to be able to see this in person. So we've just finished our hike of the Wulong National Park. We're going to be heading back up via a little tram sort of bus thing. It's very uphill. So we've just got back from our day trip to Wulong National Park. It was amazing. The one thing that I forgot to mention is that for our last night in Chongqing, we booked a really special room, £54 per night, and we booked it for one night as a little treat ourselves. And the room is amazing. Let's give you a tour. So when you first walk into the room, you've got this area for your tea, coffee, and you get complimentary drinks as well. And they also give you a bath bomb, which you can scan and pay for as a little extra treat. We have the walk-in shower, which is amazing. But what really makes this room unique and special is this view. Absolutely incredible, and I cannot wait to see what this looks like at night. You know Chongqing, or anything about Chongqing, you know that the night lights and the neon vibe of this city is one of the things that makes it so unique. We have the bedroom area, so there's a massive round bed here, and you also have a bathtub just further there. And the views do continue. There's a vanity area here. In terms of the views, honestly, you guys, it is really out of this world. It's a little bit dark now, but I'm hoping you can just see some of the colors that are already coming out in this late sunset. It just looks so amazing. I feel like the video doesn't really do it justice either. Is not only its views across the river, but it also gives you a very special view of the very iconic and famous Hongyadong. So if any of you have visited Chongqing before, or you're thinking about it, you'll know that Hongyadong will absolutely be a part of your itinerary.
深深乌龙，一个是红茶的，一个是乌龙，深深乌龙。
rushing through Chongqing today, trying to make the most of the day. In the morning we visited this coffee shop called Tomato, and the coffee was so nice. I got a banana flavoured coffee and it was so yum. What did you get?
I had an apple coffee, which is like apple, oat milk and coffee, which is really, really nice.
Yeah, I highly recommend that place. I feel like the quality of the coffee was really good, and just the space overall was really nice as well, and you get a nice view of the river too with the bridge and everything. So highly recommend. Now we are on our way to try a famous noodle spot. I'm super looking forward to this because the food just looks so good. I'm slightly worried that it's gonna be like Sichuan chili spice levels, but we'll see how we manage. Akash and I have literally been getting sores in our mouth because we're just not used to the chili here. But the flavour is so good. I just wish I was more, I wish we were like more trained to that taste, you know?
Yeah, my mouth is so numb, honestly. Like, top tip, if you want low chili, just say no chili. Because their low chili is still
spicy.
Very spicy, so
yeah.
And I can handle spice, but yeah, because my mouth has been numb for the past couple of days since arriving in Chengdu, like honestly, like yeah, I'm just saying no spice at all for the next couple of days until I get a bit of sensation in my mouth again.
So we are here at Supali Banden Mian, I hope I said that right, and we are about to try the viral noodles from Chongqing. So the two that we got is, this one is beef and this one is pork. It's definitely spicy. We asked for no spice. China's version of no spice is still spicy. It's so good. The flavour is amazing. Akash, what do you think?
Yeah, it's amazing. I can't lie. I might have to call you guys. I'm gonna have to see you guys in a bit because yeah, this food is much needed. The pork is succulent, really flavourful. The noodles, very tasty.
And you know, a lot of viral places you feel like they are so overrated sometimes, but this one, I mean, there's such a crowd of locals here also enjoying noodles too. Obviously I don't want to film everyone, but yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
That's all right, no worries. So yeah, I feel like there's a lot of locals here enjoying the noodles as well. So it feels like, you know, even though it's viral, when you know it's popular amongst the locals, you know you've definitely come to the right place.
Yeah, I mean, there's no seating area, you know. There's no
Yeah, we're
seating area.
literally on
There's-
stools,
on
like-
benches and stools. Yeah.
Look at us.
And so is everyone else, and like we're literally in the middle of the road.
Yeah. So we are just at the foot spa. We've had our Sichuan chili foot bath, and now we've got these heat pads on our back, which are supposed to be relaxing and calming for your back muscles and spine.